Hi, first graders. Hope you're doing well. I hope you had a great Mother's Day and celebrated your mama for the special, amazing mom she is. I'm missing you. I hope you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Hey, this week we are kind of shifting gears from fictional, which is made up characters, to non-fictional or informational, which is true or real life. So this activity that we're going to do right now, you can do at home with anybody you know. So I picked myself, which I put in this circle right here. You can just take two circles. If you notice, I took two circles and kind of overlapped them because we are going to be comparing two people. So I thought, who's somebody that I know pretty well? Well, I know Mr. Page pretty darn well because we live together and we've been spending a lot of time together. So I bet you could do this with anybody in your family too. Take two circles, put them together, and on one side we have Mrs. Page, me. On the other side, your other person that you're comparing. So in this case, Mr. Page. And then in the middle where they both overlap, that is where we're going to put things that are the same, so similar. So let's see here. You're going to be doing this in just a few minutes after you read a nonfiction text about Amy and Seth. And then Amy is over here, Seth is over here, and then you'll compare what do they both have in common. So for this example, I'm just going to do me and Mr. Page. So one thing about me, my birthday is in January. Now, Mr. Page, his birthday is not in January. His birthday is in September. So I'm going to put that over there. We don't have a similar birthday. So I'm not going to put anything here in the middle. One thing that I love is the summer. So I love summer. That's my favorite time of year. But Mr. Page, he's a huge football fan. He loves winter when football is going on. One thing that we love, though, speaking of football, is watching the Iowa State Cyclones. Anything Iowa State, especially Iowa State Cyclone football, we both love. So I'm going to put that right here in the middle. Okay, so something that we have in common, we'll put here that we share. And things that are different, we'll put in our own circles. So I want you to try that with Amy and Seth in the next passage. And then honestly, try this with anybody in your family. It's fun to see the similarities between you and your siblings and what makes you different and the special things that you like that are different than your brother or sister or mom or dad. So have fun with this. Have a great week, first graders, and I'll see you next week.